Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I must congratulate all the teachers in this university because just after a couple of days on 5th October, there is an international day for the teachers, and I think we all celebrate it today as a Teachers' Day in advance, and as well as today is the completion of 10th year of the establishment of Education Department. So I think that Dr. Najmun Issa has selected today for the two events. One is that she is celebrating the 10 years completion of Education Department, and since she is heading the department, so she was very much enthusiastic. Then and at the same time, she also asked us why not we celebrate Teachers' Day today. So I said okay. So that is the reason that there are too many teachers around us today, and I must congratulate everyone. As a teacher, I've spent my entire life, and I think that this is one of the noble professions. And whatever the contribution we do, actually that doesn't remain just for up to the one generation, but it goes up to the generations and generations. So I think the only two professions like medical profession or the teaching profession, where I generally used to say to my other students, these are the two professions in which if you can serve with your honesty and with your sincerity, then you can win the paradise, because this is the direct link with the communities, and whatever the benefit that is given to the community, that is in Islam, that is called Sadqa Jariya. So teaching profession is basically a Sadqa Jariya, and I once again thankful to all the teachers here, and please convey this message to whom who have not attended today's event. So thank you very much.